Hello, Tyranitar here, and I got a Garchomp pack, a Garchomp tin, and a blister pack, and I got the Regigigas and the coin thing. And out of like all this, I got like 7 packs, I think it is. EX, oh my god, this one, EX Power Keepers, Stormfront, this, and they're all pretty much like Supreme Victors.
Yeah,
and they're all like,
4 Supreme Victors, 1 Rising Rebels, 1 Starfront, and 1 EX Power Keepers.
okay.
And he got all the pack covers for Supreme Victors.
Right.
It's kind of ironic.
And I'm gonna open my EX Power Keepers now.
And they're all sealed. We just wanted to save some time.
Yeah. So I opened all of them up. So. And then this is the reverse, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Sorry. Duskull, Omnite, Dagon, Mysterious Fossil. Ooh, that's a pretty cool Ninetales.
That's rare.
That is?
Oh yeah, it's the one. It's 1-2-1-2. Sorry guys.
That's a rare?
Yeah.
Oh really? Well, Charmeleon.
It's okay.
Medtang, and that's not a rare.
Nice.
Nice.
And the Grass Ember.
Grass
Hooray.
Okay. I'll fix that.
It's only for EX Power.
Okay, and then
Starfront.
Stormfront? Yeah, sure. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, well I'm gonna get a better view
Isn't
on
it
it.
the 1, 2, like this?
No, it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2?
Yeah. There you go. And then this is your reverse, I believe.
Alright, I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah, he's new, guys. Gotta give him some credit.
Ghastly, Stunkly.
Stunky. Nice.
Yeah. I don't want to slaughter their names, so I just won't say them. I bet you all know them. Poop time. Yeah, bet you all. Which one's the reverse?
The bottom is the reverse.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's rare. I'm sorry, guys. We've been in the video so long.
True.
That was a crappy pack.
Okay, now getting on to the ones that I actually care about. The Rising Rivals.
Rising Rebel.
Yeah. Oh, the Supreme Victors is the one that I wanted. Open up my Rising Rivals here.
Just trying to get Articuno reprint. If any of you guys want to trade one, that'd be really nice.
And then reverse right here.
Yeah, it's the reverse.
This one.
No, like the bottom one. No, the top one's reverse.
Okay, dude, I'm doing it right. Nidoran, Kecleon, Nidoran, other, Houndoom, Carvana, Eblogi, Underground Expedition. This is the reverse, right?
I'm almost positive.
Aerodactyl. That's pretty cool.
Oh come on, that is not a good start.
Alright.
That was garbage.
That was pretty much garbage. Supreme Victors. Now these are
this is where it all comes down with you guys.
These are the ones that I actually kinda care about. 1, 2. Wishworm, Bidoof, Geodude, Shroomish, Kricketot, Magmar, Wailmer, Raichu. That's pretty cool. My reverse is...
Oh, and Polion. FB.
Oh, that's cool.
That's pretty cool.
And my rare is...
Claydol. Come on. Come on.
Not too good of a start here.
You got 3 more Supreme
I got
Victors?
3 more packs.
Come on. It's pretty terrible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I'm thinking of Target grocery section.
Wishmer, Buizel, Roselia, Cherubi, Meditite, Fossil, Gabite, Marshtomp. My reverse is a Rhydon.
Hooray.
Hooray. And my rare is...
Oh! Charizard G-Level X. High five.
Okay,
Oh,
and that was in the
that is-
Charizard pack. I just
Oh,
want to point that out.
that is great.
I think that pretty much just made up for
Yeah, I
it.
just made everything up. There you go, guys. Right here.
Charizard level X.
Charizard
pretty-
level
It's
X.
pretty good.
That is.
Put that one over there.
Cause
Yes.
Nice.
I got pennies.
And
Okay.
these are the two that we were feeling pretty
Yeah,
good
two,
about.
two we're feeling pretty good about.
So when I went
Alright, 2 more packs, guys. Doing
I'm
excellent. Look at that.
excited so far.
Yeah, look at it. Look at it. You guys are a bunch of haters.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. This is Gible, Magnemite, Zubat,
I like my
Turtwig, Cherubi, Gabite,
Oh,
Milotic,
That's pretty cool.
and Chiram. My reverse is
Oh, dude, that's so good.
I hate those. And my rare is Garchomp
Garchomp level X. You gotta
Really?
be kidding me, guys.
2
You sit
packs in
here.
a row.
Charizard.
Dude, and that was the Garchomp pack.
That's crazy. Dude,
Holy
this
crap,
is
dude.
great. Oh my gosh.
Oh
Yeah,
my God.
look at that. 2 sweet level X's, man. Oh my
And that's the
gosh.
one that you wanted.
Yeah.
Okay. Other packs we were feeling pretty confident about.
Alright, last pack, guys. Let's wrap it up. This is.
1,
this is
2,
tough.
3. 1, 2. Oops. Holy crap, dude.
This is insane.
Gible, Baltoy, Magnacarp, Beldum, Pachirisu, Skymory FB, Night Teleporter, and Floatzel. My reverse is
Yeah,
Staravia.
these reverses are terrible.
And my last rare is Moltres.
Alright. Sweet.
Dude, 2 level X's in a row.
And 7 pack. That's pretty good, guys.
And that was this was in the Garchomp pack and that was in the Charizard pack.
Nice. Alright, guys. Well, that's all we have for now. So,
It's pretty cool.
this is Tyranitar.
Yeah.
Look forward to
See
more
y'all
videos.
later.